Expansion 4, pages 110 and 111. Reading. Visitors from Beyond.
One of the most intriguing cases in the history of ufology took place near Roswell, New Mexico, in the U.S. on July 4, 1947. A strange object, which had been detected on the radar for 3 days, suddenly disappeared. The amazing speed and erratic motion indicated that it couldn't have been a plane or a meteorite. Several people in the Roswell area said that they had witnessed the crash. William Mack Brazel, as well as others, had heard a tremendous explosion. William Woody and his father had seen a flaming object fall to Earth, and Jim Ragsdale and Trudy Truelove had observed a bright light crash near their campsite. A special retrieval team arrived from Washington and located the crashed craft. They took the names of all the civilians on the site, and they escorted them away. The area was cleaned and secured within 5 or 6 hours, and 5 bodies were removed. Melvin Brown, who was one of the guards in the truck transporting the bodies, claims that they were small with large heads and that their skin was an orange-yellow color. Mack Brazel found some strange debris in his field and drove into Roswell to show it to the sheriff, who in turn informed the military. The military sent Jesse A. Marcel and Captain Sheridan Cavett to investigate. Neither of them had ever seen anything like it. The foil-like substance would not burn or scratch, and when held in the hand, it felt weightless. If several pieces of the substance were crumpled into a ball, they would return to their original shape when released. Marcel loaded as much of the material as he could into his car and took it back with him to show to his superiors. Rumors started spreading around that a flying saucer had been discovered, and the Air Force in Fort Worth confirmed the story. Within a couple of hours, the base was flooded with calls from around the world. A press conference was arranged, but the remains of the flying saucer that Marcel had brought back with him were gone, and had been replaced with bits from an old weather balloon. Marcel was ordered to be photographed with the balloon debris and not to say anything about it. General Ramey explained that the men at Roswell had made a mistake, and the story died down. There have been many hoaxes associated with this case, including the infamous alien autopsy video. Many interesting books have been written about what happened, or might have happened, at Roswell. However, 40 years later, the U.S. government finally admitted that the weather balloon story had indeed been a cover-up.